So you finished off your latest design, laid it out on a presentation board to show off, but it feels like something's missing, and you're wondering, what could it be?
Well, I'm here to tell you, it's mock-ups showing your awesome design in the real world.
And now you're wondering, okay, but where can I get mock-ups to put my designs onto? Well, once again, I'm going to answer that question for you, and as an added bonus, show you how you might create your own mock-ups to save you a bit of money. I'd just like to mention that this video is not sponsored in any way, these are just my personal recommendations. One of the few places I've used in the past for mockups is Design Cuts, which has an impressive library to choose from across a range of different designers and studios. If you choose to get your mockups from there, you'll be purchasing individual packs depending on the products you want to showcase your work on. The other option is Envato Elements Placeit, which is a subscription-based service offering a whole bunch of mockup options for a monthly fee. This also has an impressive library to choose from, and you don't even need Photoshop to apply your designs to the mockups, as the website has a built-in function that does it for you. An additional feature of Placeit is you also have access to some video mockups too. Those are the two main suppliers I've used for mockups in the past, but there's a couple more I've heard good things about that I'd like to mention. The first being Yellow Images, and the second being FreePic. Both offer a variety of mockup options for you to use. But what if I don't want to pay for mockups, I hear you say? Well, there are options for that too. The first being you can take your own photos, and the second being you can use stock sites to take photos and turn into mockups. Let me quickly go through both. If you decide to go the route of taking your own photos, then ideally you want to be using a DSLR camera, but if you don't have one, then your phone camera will probably be fine also. Then once you have some snaps of the product you want to turn into a mockup, you put it into Photoshop, make some edits, and then you have your own personal mockup. The same can be said for taking photos from stock sites like Pixabay, which is a free stock photo website. You find the product you want to use, you download a clear picture, and then you turn it into a mockup using Photoshop. Now, this could be a tutorial all in of itself.
Using mockups is a great way to show off your work in action, and I hope my advice helps you in using them. If you have any questions, please pop them down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer. And as always, if you found the video helpful, I'd really appreciate you tapping that like button and hitting the subscribe button. Also, until next time, stay creative.